Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to add split screen in Capcut. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's create a new project. Tap on a new project, select any two videos and click add. Now we need a second video clip. Scroll to the end of the first video and tap on the second video. Next, scroll the ribbon to the left and look for the overlay button, and then select it. The second video has moved to the second line, and our task is to overlay the second video on the first one. Hold your finger on the second video and drag it to the beginning of the track. Next, to make a split screen, tap on the second video to highlight it, then we go to the players screen and drag the second video in any direction, unless of course you hide anything on the second video when moving. The vibration of the phone and the blue line on the screen will tell you that by moving the video you have not gone beyond the edges of the player. In addition, we zoom out the second video with two fingers and can position it anywhere above the first video. This is especially convenient when a vertical video is overlaid on a horizontal video. The vertical video doesn't take up much space and everything looks good. And another way to make a split screen is to use a mask. Tap on the second video and look for the mask button on the ribbon and select it. For example, let's choose a horizontal mask and the line dividing the second video appeared. We can arrange this mask horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally. We rotate and control the mask with two fingers, and the rest of the masks just change the shape of the window but do the same thing. Experiment with masks and you will succeed. And that's it. Now another more.